share my screen. Yeah, so is everyone able to see my screen? Yeah. Yeah, okay,
Yes.
cool. So, unfortunately, because we don't have any equipment to use from the lab, we're going to simulate all these data. So, LabVIEW can simulate all the ECG data, the EMG data, and ECG data, blood pressure data. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to simulate data of different types. Let's say an ECG data of a normal heart rate, or if you have an abnormal heart rate, we're going to simulate all those data. Okay, and we're going to classify those data. So I'm going to show you how you can take the data from LabVIEW, record it, and either do your classification into MATLAB. So while doing this, we are actually going to simulate certain type of data. It's not the normal data. So I want to show you a few examples on how to do that, and I'll tell you what's expected of you from each of those projects. So I want to start with ECG, simulate ECG. So it's available in your signal. If you go to your biomedical in your LabVIEW, it should be available to you. If not, if you have biomedical workbench installed in your computer and you don't see this in your LabVIEW, what you got to do is that download something called VI Manager, VI package. It's free to download. So you can just download that, and once that is downloaded, what you can do is that install that into LabVIEW. So you can just search this in LabVIEW. This is free to download. You don't need to buy the professional version. All you need is this. So once this is done, it's going to download all the packages.
Hi, Jeffio.
Yeah.
Yeah, is this one is free or is
Yeah, it's free. It's free.
okay?
Yeah.
So
So
but
again,
cannot be used in the workspace, right?
no,
Okay.
unfortunately no. So those who have LabVIEW in their computers, so it's free for a month. I think biomedical, but the software itself is free.
Another option is that can you generate a signal give to student and then let them to do the
Yeah, yeah,
analysis
yeah. That's also
if
possible.
they have problem with
Yeah,
generate the signal.
yeah, yeah. That's
The
possible.
yeah yeah and you don't tell what's the problem. For example, this have some heart disease, but you don't
Yeah,
tell them
yeah,
can whether they can justify.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. I can do that.
Oh, thank
So
you.
once you download the software, all you have to do is search for biomedical toolkit. You can see that I've already installed it. Select which version and just click this one. So that shows. If you click that, it shows installed. I've already installed, and you should be able to see that. You should be able to see that in your simulation. Okay, and you should be able to see that in your lab view. Go there. So, and you should be able to see that in your biomedical. Okay. Once you do that, you can select whatever you want: ECG, EMG, EEG, or blood pressure. So I'm going to show you the first project for ECG. So the first project of ECG is to calculate the ECG heart rate. So I'm going to show you. So I have the entire program there, but since that's your task, I just want to show you what I'm going to do. So see, I've kept a heart rate here, and now the the task is to simulate this ECG and calculate the heart rate. So once you set the data in, heart rate, and if you run the code, you should be able to calculate the heart rate. So I'll change the heart rate, let's say 100 or 102, doesn't matter. So once I do that, I should be able to do that. So that's one of your projects. So you won't be able to calculate the heart rate directly from the signal. So to do that, you got to do some feature extractions. You'll have to differentiate the PQRST wave to calculate the heart rate. And it's pretty much easy. You just have to do, since this is a simulated signal, there is no noise at all. But you could add noise. Let's say if you want to add 0 point, you can add some noise and then simulate the signal. And you can remove the signal. So that's one way of doing. Uh, that's one of the projects. So calculating the heart rate using ECG. That's your first project. For the next project, so again same. We can go to the. I don't know what's happening. You can go to the biomedical, select ECG, Okay, and unlike before, we chose something called read from measurement file. We're going to choose from write from measurement file, write to yeah, write to measurement file. Get that? So once you open that, select Excel. So it'll save as an Excel file. Oh, press OK. So click on the ECG and select the parameters you want. So for the sampling rate, power line noise, and all those things. And the block size talks to you about the entire time for the signal. So let's say I want to record it for 30 seconds. So I put 30. And so for now, I'm going to put a normal signal. So if I press normal, and if I click signals, and my file is saved to documents lab view text. So okay, and if you want to view the signal, you go to waveform graph, and you can see the ECG signal. That's for 30 seconds. So once you press stop, you can go to your documents, uh, go to your lab view data. Uh, just want it once more, just to make sure. Yeah, stop. I'm not sure why.
Which folder?
Yeah, I've checked documents data.
Level data folder.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not. This is next file. Do that again. So I'm just clicking this test. And once I do that, I should be able to see the ECG data onto that. Stop. Sorry guys, just give me a minute. Saved one file. Let me just try TDMS before that. Okay, I have this problem. Hi Steven, I think you can just take back the host. I'll just want to figure out what's happening.
Maybe you use this one to direct, not use the continue running, just running one time to see
Yeah,
what to see whether
yeah, yeah. I've done that as well.
doesn't help. Yeah.
Yeah, it's still giving me an error. I don't know if my installation, because it's a new laptop. I just installed it 2 days back.
Okay. You show
Yeah,
me already, so I think it should
yeah,
be okay.
yeah. So I think I'll give you back the host. I'll just fix it up and I'll.
Yeah, I think maybe we finish this one. Although you can show this later, but I think
Yeah,
basically it's like this. You can simulate the signal,
yeah.
and then you can save to somewhere, and then you can use MATLAB to do classification.
You can take EMG signal for that matter. So you can choose what type of EMG signal you want. Simulate the data. So let's change the output to such a way that he's not doing much of the action, and I can do that. Same thing. What I can do is for blood pressure. So yeah, so for systolic and diastolic, I can change these values. So what you can do is that you can differentiate different types of blood pressure, like hypertension 1, hypertension 2. Choose the values, record the data, and you can do the classification.
If you can develop an automatic measurement. For example, you get the original data, original signal. Can you detect systolic and diastolic value accurately? And then you use simple classification. This is high blood pressure or middle or normal. Yeah. So this is for blood pressure project. For ECG, it's like you detect heart rate, detect
or you can, or another project you can do in ECG is you can choose different types of
heart diseases.
So you can say atrial tachycardia, record the beat. You can ventricle tachycardia, record the beat, and you can do a classification.
Yeah,
record a new set of data, and you can test if your model works or not.
Yeah, yeah. Only maybe you select two particular diseases.
Yeah.
And then you
can
classify.
these diseases and then classify this data.
Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah. So for the EMG, it's a little bit. I mean, you also can generate something, right? EMG, like you can.
Yeah. You can generate how sharp the wave is, how smooth the wave should be. So mostly when it's smooth, it's more of a contraction. And what you can do is that you can generate a few on a very low amplitude. So
yeah.
And then generate that again. So if it's contraction second is even one, you can change it to there's two contractions. You can classify the contractions using the EMG data.
Yeah. I think any problems with from student? Hi guys. Hello.
I'll definitely see what's happening with this. It's working in my other laptop. I'll try to log in that and show you.
Maybe.
Steven, I'll give you back the host.
Yeah, give it back to host to me. And hi everyone. Do you have any problem with this project?
I think so.
It's yeah. If no project, no problem. Kari will break out the room, and we will have a group discussion. And your group discuss first. Maybe give us. I mean, after 10 minutes, I will ask you which project you will select. Yeah. So Kari,
Yeah.
are you a host now? Yeah, you are the host.
I'm a host. I can start the breakout room.
Oh, thank you so much. And then yeah, we will also discuss about the grouping issue as well. Yeah, grouping and the project. Yeah, maybe give them maybe currently is 7:55. Maybe we start at 10 past 8 with 15 minutes rest, and then you put them in the breakout room. They also can discuss. Maybe give another 5 minutes. Maybe we 15 past 8. We ask them about the project.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just opened all the breakout rooms now. Feel free to just jump in and start discussion.
Yeah.
After the break.
Yes. Yes. And then we will ask them to find the best project they select, and then we can make arrangement how to help them. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.